Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 8th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure you check out the video that I made this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So we are sitting at the 78%, a very crucial area for us, because if this is a correction to the last move down, then this will have to make a bearish engulfing move at this level. If you do see that bearish engulfing move take out the structure of these last few candles, then I would definitely take that as a short, because that should be the end of a correction, and it most likely would continue the downtrend at that point. Now, I said this is a crucial area because if it doesn't do that, but instead it starts to close above the 78%, that's a pretty good sign that we should continue to look for longs in an uptrend, because at that point it probably would take out the previous highs and make a bigger move to the upside. I'm definitely still leaning towards the idea that this could make a bearish engulfing move and continue down. So I definitely am watching the 78% Fibonacci level very closely to see what happens next. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on this great screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.